Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Hey there, creative friends. Welcome to our family fun drawing adventure. Today, we have a super exciting drawing session planned for you and your family. So, grab your art supplies and let's dive right in. Let's go, friends. First, we'll draw Father's head. Then draw his ears. His eyes, his nose, and his mouth. After, draw his t-shirt. Next to the mother, we'll draw her head and ears. Draw her body structure, then attach her hand. She is wearing cooking dress. Pocket on her dress, draw her legs. Next, we'll draw legs. Last, we'll draw younger brother. Draw his head, his ears, his eyes, his nose, his mouth. Then we'll draw his hands with his dress. After, his legs with paint. Last is his shoes. Let's add some color, kids. Brown color. Skin color. Red color. Yellow. color, red color, green color, violet color, dark blue color, yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, black color. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.